So today we have Mica here at Tractor Supply, and he just finished his advanced training, so we figured that we would run through all of his commands and how he does them and enjoy the video. He does a really good job. Here I'm putting him into a sit and a down and then a down stay, and I'm going to walk back to him the first time, and then the second time I'm going to walk all the way down into the next aisle. And I was actually super impressed because there were a ton of people in there today, and these people especially were in between Mica and I, and he did a great job and didn't break until I called him to me. So now I'm going to take Mica and do some loose leash walking, and I'm going to go around the front of the store and then back to the middle part. Again, there were a bunch of people today. He did a really great job staying right next to me. He was attentive. Overall, really flawless loose leash walking.